Welcome to Heilind Electronics Europe website. Let's start with the global settings. At the very top is the black bar, where you manage your session. Log in and create account. This is your gateway to our personalized professional tools. If you're ready to join us, we've prepared a dedicated tutorial that walks you through how to create an account in our e-store step by step. My order and the cart. Track your current session and head to checkout in one click. Currency and language. Use the drop-down, like Euro, to instantly switch the site to another currency. Professional Command Center, yellow bar. Once you are logged in, the yellow bar becomes your dedicated workspace. Quick Quote Tool, our most popular feature for fast pricing. If you're new to this, we've prepared a dedicated tutorial that explains how to use it step by step. Check it out for a full walkthrough. Payment recap and programs. Activity. Keep your finances transparent and track your specific account programs in real time. Shopping list and order history. Use the shopping list for frequent reorders or jump into order history to track shipments and download invoices in seconds. Deep dive and learn more on our next tips and tricks movies. If you have any kind of question or if you need assistance, please reach out to our support team using the contact form. Thank you for watching and hope this helps you get started.